Hello, class, and welcome to week 5. This week, we're going to go over the estimation process. We'll look at both Agile and the waterfall as we're doing estimations. And actually, you can use the estimation process for other things, for any kind of project or product work, and even in your own personal lives. So far, we're past halfway. Just looking back, we went over the SDLC phases, including the requirements analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. We discussed, and we continue to discuss, waterfall versus Agile methodology. We talked about the Agile manifesto. We talked about the roles, events, and artifacts of the Scrum framework. We're using Eclipse. This week we'll use Eclipse more. In your journal, you acted as the product owner. You developed user stories. You created test cases based on those user stories, and then entered a journal entry as the tester. So this week, we'll take on the role as a developer. So the objects this week include evaluation of an estimation process for scoping work on a product, develop a feature by completing a user story in a product backlog. And so from our user stories, we'll get a requirement from the product owner, and we'll modify the application that we worked on before, where we did a list view. Now we'll change that, and based on feedback from the product owner. We'll reflect on the importance of a developer in the Agile team. And so this week, the readings will go over Agile estimation for the main text. We'll also look at 2 other readings. One is Agile requirements, change management. Another one is Agile estimation techniques. So you can see it's all about, when you change, estimating the change, and then being able to work that into a sprint. The assignments this week include the estimation process, so research and discuss, the Agile estimation practice, the assignment product application. So we'll change the slideshow control based on a new requirement, like I said, from the product owner, and then the journal as a developer. And then the final project's only 2 weeks away, so it's a really good idea to at least review the requirements. You're going to take all the assignments you've done and build a large project. And so if you can start on that, it'll make the final week much easier for you. Again, looking forward to our discussions and reviewing your assignments. I'll try to get this week's assignments out back to you early. I always appreciate that you enter your discussions early and complete your assignments early. Have any questions? Feel free to email me. Most of you know I check my email daily and usually respond within a couple hours, at least the same day. So if you have any questions, again, email me, and have a great week.